The sea does not forgive the weak. And today, it tests you. Your longship groans under the weight of warriors and destiny. The mist hides the coast ahead, and the blood that will stain it. You grip your axe tighter. The salt burns your throat. The gods are watching. Before this day ends, your name will either echo in Valhalla or be lost beneath these freezing waves. The cold North Sea bites at your skin. Your longship rocks with every wave. Mist curls along the deck, carrying the smell of salt and wood. The horizon darkens with enemy fires flickering on the distant coast. Today you are no longer just a Viking. You are wrath itself. Every breath is ice. Every heartbeat a drum of war. Every man grips his weapon tighter. Axes glint in the dawn light. Shields clank softly against the wooden rails. Silence hangs heavier than the sea spray. You scan the horizon. The coastline seems calm, but the air pulses with tension. A faint caw of a seabird, a wave hitting the hull. Everything feels amplified, a prelude to chaos. The longship hits shallow water. Warriors brace themselves, feet splashing in icy surf. You crouch low, spear ready. The oars dig into the sand, every motion calculated. A subtle glance between comrades acknowledges the risk. Only the swift and the cunning will survive. Flames flare along the coastline. English defenders scramble, armor clanging. Arrows whistle past, splintering wooden shields. You leap ashore, shield raised, axe ready. Chaos erupts around you. There is no hesitation. Every swing, block, and step is survival and fury combined. Huts burn. Smoke spirals skyward. Villagers flee. Your brothers gather spoils and protect the wounded. Screams mix with the roar of the sea. The raid is methodical yet chaotic. Each Viking moves like a predator. Precise, brutal, unrelenting. Strategy and instinct collide. The last huts are quiet. The fire's glow dims. Warriors lean on axes, surveying the shore. The horizon stretches endlessly. Waves crash and shimmer in the morning light. Today, victory was yours, but tomorrow demands cunning. The wind carries the echo of your presence across the fjords. Your path leads to longhouses, feasts, and tales of loyalty and blood. Stories will be told of this raid, whispered in the flickering torchlight. The wind carries your name, and the next chapter waits. Cunning, strategy, and the bonds of kin will be tested like never before.
If you want to step deeper into history, subscribe to POV of the past, where every story puts you inside the moment.
Next, you will step inside the halls where strategies are whispered, loyalties tested, and the saga continues. Stay with us as the story unfolds in POV, inside a Viking longhouse.